You are 23. You just signed your first offer letter. $35,000 a year. You feel a rush of victory. You do the math in your head. Nearly $3,000 a month. You think about the independence. You think your life is finally starting. You are wrong. The corporate machine does not care about your gross income. It only cares about what it can extract. Your first paycheck arrives. The illusion shatters instantly. Federal taxes take a slice. State taxes take a slice. Social Security takes a slice. You do not take home $3,000. You take home $2,200. And the money is already gone before it settles in your account. Rent for a shared apartment takes $1,000. Utilities and phone bills take $200. Your minimum student loan payment takes another $300. By the second day of the month, you have $700 left to survive for 30 days. At this level, you do not have a budget. You have a survival countdown. Every single purchase is a stressful calculation. You stand in the grocery store. You compare the price per ounce of cheap pasta. You check your bank app before swiping your card for a $4 coffee. You are terrified, not of the future. You are terrified of a $35 overdraft fee. At work, you sit under bright fluorescent lights. You stare at spreadsheets that mean nothing to you. You are a junior analyst or a coordinator. These are fake titles. They are invented to make you feel important. But the reality is cold. You are a highly managed cost center. You are easily replaced. Your boss does not see a future leader. They see cheap labor. Your biggest fear is not losing your job. Your biggest fear is a flat tire. A glowing check engine light is not a minor problem. It is a full economic disaster. A simple $500 emergency wipes out 2 entire months of savings. It forces you into credit card debt. You live in a state of quiet, constant panic. You walk on a financial tightrope without a net. To escape this panic, you look up. You look at your manager. They make $75,000 a year. They drive a nice car. They do not look stressed at the grocery store. You make a silent promise to yourself. You say, if I can just make that much money, the anxiety will stop. I will finally be free. That thought is not your own. It is a trap. The system designed it perfectly, and you walk right into it.
You get the email. You got the promotion. Your salary is now $75,000. You look at the number on the screen. It feels huge. It is more than double what you made before. You breathe a sigh of relief. You tell yourself, I finally made it. The struggle is over. You tell yourself you suffered enough. You tell yourself you deserve a reward. This is the exact moment the trap closes. You move out of the cramped shared apartment. You sign a lease for a nice private place with big windows. Your rent instantly doubles. But you do not worry. You say it is fine. You make $75,000 now. You walk into a dealership. You finance a brand new car. The monthly payment is $600. You justify it. You tell yourself you work hard. You tell yourself you need a reliable car for your new role. Your daily habits begin to change. They change very quietly. You stop looking at price tags in the grocery store. You buy the expensive brand. You open your phone. You order food delivery 3 nights a week. You do not even look at the high delivery fees anymore. You buy new clothes because you need to look the part for your new job title. Everything feels great. You look successful. You feel rich. Then, the last day of the month arrives. You open your banking app, you look at your balance, you freeze. The number is almost zero. It is the exact same number you had left over when you made $35,000. Your heart beats a little faster. How is this possible? You make double the money. Where did all of it go? It went into the illusion. You did not build wealth, you just upgraded your expenses. You bought a more expensive lifestyle. Welcome to Lifestyle Creep. You are still living paycheck to paycheck. You are still just one bad month away from losing everything. But now your life costs twice as much to maintain. You are not richer. You are just carrying a much heavier chain. And the worst part, you put it on yourself. You hit the magic number. You make $150,000 a year. You are middle management now. You are in the top tier of earners. Your parents are proud. People look at you with respect. You use your new salary to buy a 4-bedroom house. You sign a massive mortgage. You fill the house with nice furniture. You feel very successful. But the reality is dark. You have money, but you are completely broke in something else: time. Your company does not pay you $150,000 for your skills. They pay you to own your life. Your salary is not a reward. It is a price tag for your 24/7 availability. It is 11 p.m. on a Tuesday. Your family is asleep. The house is quiet, but you are awake. You are sitting in bed, staring at the glow of your laptop. You are answering urgent emails. You go on a family vacation, but you do not relax. Your phone buzzes on the beach. You answer it. You step away from your kids to fix a problem for your boss. Your body is on vacation, but your mind is still trapped in the office. You are exhausted. You are burning out. One morning, you sit in your expensive car. You hold the steering wheel. You want to quit. You dream about walking into the office and leaving it all behind. You want your life back. Then you remember the math. You have a $4,000 mortgage payment. You have 2 car leases. Your expenses are too high. You need this high-stress job just to pay for the life you have no time to enjoy. You cannot walk away. You cannot take a lower-paying job. The door is locked from the inside. The cell is very comfortable. The bars are made of gold. They look beautiful to everyone on the outside, but they are heavy, and you wear them every single day. You reach the top floor. You are a director. You make $300,000 a year. You have the big corner office. The people below you are afraid of you. You wear expensive suits. To the outside world, you are a king. But the math tells a different story. First, the taxes are brutal. They take a massive cut. Then your lifestyle takes the rest. Your life is very heavy now. You pay for expensive private schools for your kids. You pay for a massive luxury house. You pay for a country club membership you never have time to use. You make $350,000 a year, but your savings account grows very slowly. You spend almost everything you earn just to maintain the image. At this level, hard work does not matter anymore. Survival here is a game of politics. Everyone smiles at you in the boardroom, but everyone wants your chair. You spend your days in endless meetings. You play a silent game of chess. You cannot show weakness. You cannot trust anyone. The stress is completely silent, but it never stops. You look confident, but inside you hold a terrifying secret. When you made $35,000, losing your job was bad, but you could find another entry-level job in a week. At $300,000, the rules change. There are very few jobs at this level. If you get fired today, you cannot easily replace that income, but your massive bills will not stop. The private school needs payment. The massive mortgage needs payment. If you lose this job, your entire family's lifestyle will collapse in 6 months. You did not build a solid foundation. You built a giant house of cards. You sit in your big office. You look out the window, and you are terrified of the wind. You reach the top. You are a partner. You make over $500,000 a year. Money is no longer a problem. Your investments grow on their own. You fly in first class. You buy whatever you want. You never look at a price tag again. You look at your bank account. The number is massive. You are completely safe. But you look in the mirror. You are 50 years old. Your youth is gone. Your energy is gone. You go home to your massive house. You open the door. It is perfectly clean. It is filled with beautiful things. But it is very quiet. Your children are adults now. They moved out. You paid for their expensive schools. You gave them everything. But you missed their childhood. You were always on a flight. You were always in a meeting. Now you finally have the money. You finally have some time. But a new fear hits you. You do not know what to do. You try to remember your hobbies. You try to remember who you were 20 years ago. You try to remember what you loved before you started working. You cannot remember. You only know how to work. You forgot how to live. You sit alone in a huge, quiet room. You look out the window, and you realize the final truth. The system did not make you rich. The system just rented your life. It bought your best years. It bought your health. It bought your time with your family. And it paid you with a number on a screen. You have everything, but you traded yourself to get it.